Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So now we have got. I'm gonna do an analysis of one pair so that you get to understand what's happening and what should you avoid. So technically, we need to avoid a ranging market. So now we can see now this is our Euro JPY, right? So we can see now already the market has created the low, and in such we should experience the market moving up. So we have got that. So this is our nearest high. So technically now we should plug the robot. So basically we'll be plugging the robot towards that direction. So basically that's one of the pair of which now I believe this there's pairs of this nature, which we have got correlating pairs which has to do with the yen. So basically they're probably doing the same thing. So now let's check which one can we take. So this one, we're going to plug this pair. So let me just check and look for another one. JPY, let's check this one. It should have the same characteristics, but it's not clear. So meaning that we're not gonna take. So now the only pair that we have is that one. Let me see this one. Still, we can take. So still not clear. I'll show you now. Still not clear. Still not clear. So we should avoid this kind of pairs because now they'll be also affecting our trades. I'm gonna show you now the one that's correlating. So now we only have got that one. Okay, correlating euro. Let's check the ones correlating based on the euro. I have that, but it's not clear. I have that, it's in the opposite direction. Okay, so we can see as well that one now it has specified the direction. We can see it's on a trend, it's on an uptrend. So our next one that we can work with is USD JPY and Euro JPY. Those are the pairs that we'll be trading today. I'll show you why. Okay. So now we can see yesterday on the uptrend, so we have got the Euro JPY and we've got USD JPY. It's on an uptrend. Let's go and see on the 1 hour time frame and see. So yeah, you can see now it's still also consolidating. So the robot will do the job for you. So technically that's the pair that we're going to trade today. I've got USD JPY and we've got Euro JPY. And then let's look for another one if there's another one in case. There's another one again. So we've got Euro Chef. You can see it's already created the low. I've got that. I've got this. And then if now you were doing it manually, you will do that. Let me show you what you do. So this was a downtrend. Then you can put your trend. There is your trend, and you can see now the market is broken this part here. It has broken this part, so now it's retracing. So technically we can take that. And then now for people who have got sense, we can see that we have got something called head and shoulder. One turn like this, and we do that. So basically we can have Euro JPY and Euro Chef. So those are the pairs that we can work with today. So yeah, look up to it, plug it, let's start making money. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. A lot of people have been asking me, John, we want indices. John, we want gold. Okay, fine, cool. Let's do it. So this is what happens. So the main important thing, it doesn't matter about what's happening in a short term. So we look at the long run of the situation. So let's go in the weekly time frame. We can see if now we want to trade this, the only thing that makes sense for us to do here is to sell this market, right? So we remember we've been doing this for past some time, like 8 years now. So we have got experience. We know what the market does and we know what's the main direction, right? So let's look at this now here. I want to show you something so that I can teach you. I want you to learn so that you can be like me. So you can see here what's happening: lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, right? So here we can see here, this is called I haven't been going on with this name. So technically here you can see what happened. um, this market here tried to really up, but because of the strength of the market pushed down. So technically, what does this mean? It entails that now the market still have got power going down. So basically, we are on a downtrend of this thing in. So meaning our overall direction was still on a way to go down. So remember, the market came here and set the low here. People who don't know how to trade, they put their stop losses, and then what happened? Boom, then it's all the way down. So but what do we do now? We have to scale down. We're gonna use a lower time frame to see what's happening basically. So let's go to a daily time frame, then we see our main target. So here now we can see, now we have got that, we have got this point, you have got that point. We can see now the market has been railing down. So basically our main target is this for this pair. So now we are looking for to do what? Sells. So but you remember, you're automated. You move with trends. You don't have to do anything. All you do, you just plug your robot, then the robot will be now searching for those perfect trades. So basically on gold, what we'll be doing this week, it means now we'll be only be looking for sales, since we have realized that the market is on a down trend. So basically that's what we have. It opened this, so now it's gonna rally back and take out all those stop losses. But remember, you are with me. You should be enjoying the money. For all those guys who love gold, should enjoy. So we're gonna send the settings for gold. You should take it down all the way down. So let's go to Nasdaq. Where is your Nasdaq? Where is it? There we go. USDT, US Tech. So here you see the difference, right? Let's go to a weekly so that you can see. Same applies here. You can see now what happened. This candle here, it's a bullish run. You can see what happened. The market had power and took over at this point, and then now we can see what happened. So now technically, even this one was on a downtrend, right? But within a downtrend, there's what? This retracement. So technically, we can see here now the market has indicated with this now. So basically, we're now going to look at and scale down and see if the market on a lower scale, does it support this reversal. So technically, this is what's happening on Nasdaq. So technically, Nasdaq this week will be retracing on a bullish run. So but now let's look at the trades. Let's look at on a daily time frame and see what we have, so that we can confirm. So now let's look at this. We've got the low, we've got the high. Which one is the nearest one? We've got the low, we've got a high. We've got the low, we've got a high. The low, we've got a high, right? So now looking at the past, the market would retrace high, low, high, low, high, low, high. So technically we've got a space here now. This is the case where now we'll be having a high. So in this case now, if now we get candles of this nature today, then we would realize that now we're going backwards. But now on a daily time frame, we've realized that now the market pushed up. So now if the market comes at this point and then breaks, it means now the trend has been broken. But now let's look at what we have currently, and we see how can we work with that to see the situation. Okay, let me just do that. So we have got that in this case. So you see here is the previous low at this point, of which now the market, you can see here, this is a bullish run. What did it do? Immediately it went to that point, it created the low, but it pushed all the way down. But here, because this was a strong resistance, the market jumped. So meaning that now we have got a room of this now. So we'll be working with this. So the market will be now taking all the way up there. So we'll be now, the market will be looking, the robot will be looking for bullish opportunities. So you should enjoy towards that. So the settings will be sent. So yeah.